Bosch, part of the BSH Group, is currently the world's third largest company in the home appliance sector with presence in more than 40 countries. Number one here in Europe. The Vice President of Marketing and Communications for the Household Appliances Unit with Bosch Germany is Helmut Sailer. Hi, Helmut, welcome into tomorrow. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you very much.
Thanks for spending a couple of minutes with us because Bosch, as always, showing a lot of products here at IFA. What are you showing this year in particular?
This year we have the great pleasure to really show a totally new range of appliances. So we have in each segment we have novelties, and so for example our built-in presentation is totally 100% new. All our ovens, our cooker hoods, all our cooking equipments, everything for the kitchen is totally new.
And of course, being this is the first IFA that is showing home appliances, and you guys have been here anyway showing other stuff, this is a great opportunity to say, hey, look, we're all inclusive now. It's everything for the home.
It is quite strange for people first to hear that house appliances now on the IFA. So it's really new for us. We are first time here, and we are very happy to be here. After 3 days being now here on the show, it is for us, let's say, as normal. We do really like it, and it is a great show, and it will be a continuity with the next years, I'm sure.
Oh, sure. Well, what are the trends in home appliances, you think, in general here in Europe? Where are we headed?
The number one trend is that people are thinking now very, very much for energy safe and how they can reduce the energy costs for the house appliances. As you know, a fridge, for example, is a unit in your house which is affecting your highest costs in your house. So people
takes
are
up
really
a lot of energy.
A lot of energy. So if you compare a fridge from today to a fridge from the year 1990, for example, you have a cost reduction of 70% because the new technique, which since then is on the market, is allowing you to really save money. And the newest, again, with A++, what we say here in Europe, are really saving you a lot of money. So if you buy a new one.
What do you think are the main differences between appliances here in Europe and those that we might use in the U.S.? I mean, we have similar issues these days, finally, about energy savings and things of that nature. But do you see differences in the appliances themselves?
All appliances are totally different. So if you look on fridges, Americans are used to have big fridges side by side, big doors. You are spending and investing a lot of money in your fridges. We would not have the space in our houses even to go through the door. So we need smaller ones. So we have normally what we call bottom freezers or top freezers, which are more in the high, but let's say half of the volume you are normally using, we are using in Europe. If you go to a washing machine, German or European washing machines also are smaller, but they are much more different in usage because we wash in a different way. So also there is a difference. And the cooking, of course, is different. You have very big sized gas cookers, for example, or electrical cookers, or your big barbecues. We are again smaller. As
we hear a lot about as we travel Europe, us Americans use big everything. Now, that may be good, may not be good, I don't know.
No. It's a question of the houses, space you have. You have normally more space in the houses. You have your house appliances, a room specially for everything, for washing and whatever. It's different.
There you go. Good point. It is different. And maybe you get bigger devices at some point here in Europe as well.
I'm sure. We have new side-by-sides now coming up from our company here for the European market. So we take over the American lifestyle and bring it to the European kitchens now.
Well, there you go. There we are, Americans influencing the world. Thank you, Helmut. We appreciate you joining us here at IFA.
Thank you very much for giving us a chance to talk to you.
It's our pleasure. More information on their website at Bosch.com, BOSCH.com, and of course links in all 3 hours of all 2 weeks worth of IFA shows available at Graveline.com or IntoTomorrow.com. We're back with more from Berlin, Germany after this.